Hi, this is John with Hilbrands Carpet Care. Today I'm going to talk about makeup stains, and this is makeup from our makeup table. In this case, it's mascara, and mascara is a stronger oil. So you basically attack it as a grease or oil in that you use solvent to make them disperse. The solvent is mineral spirits, and it's not available anymore in Temecula, but other dry cleaning solvents or carpet solvents are available. Um, and what they'll cause it to do is they'll cause it to break up. And as it breaks up, it tends to bloom. So it'll take multiple cleanings. If you have one or two, I think it would be a good idea for a customer to do on their own if they use the right product. But often they'll use a soap product and they get it so soapy and lathery and the spot is still there. And then you have the soap that often causes it to lighten. There's some of the home brands have something that lightens the carpet in it. I think because they're trying to get rid of something that's dark, and the designers of those products put in a bleach. So you can see I've gone over it a couple of times with the rotary brush. I wouldn't have had to use the rotary brush, but I could have used a hand brush. But the rotary brush was being used in the hallway for the traffic pattern, so I brought it in to help disperse these oils. I did it about 3 times before it came loose. And a lot of times people worry about cost of these things, but if it's makeup, it's going to come loose because if it goes on your face, it can be the oil can be dissolved. If it's something stronger like nail polish, it's much harder to remove because you have to use acetone. In fact, I often have to patch those. But all in all, things are relatively inexpensive to do. For us, we had some specialized spotting that the rotary brush would not dissolve in that they are, and these spots are like, they had 2 coffee stains, 2 wine stains, which are really common in Temecula, and this, and I added $35 for specialized spotting. So it isn't a huge cost to have us do it, and you just wait until your regular carpet cleaning and say, hey, I got these other problems that happened. Can you take care of them too? Hopefully they'll have the right spotters because each of those involved a different spotter that is different than the regular traffic lane cleaner that we have to work on in some homes. All right, if you're in the Temecula area, you can give me a call and just follow the link below. And I hope this video has helped you. Thank you.